Welcome to another episode of Team Whacker Project BMW E9 Revival, where today we do some things.
It's cold today.
It's a little cold.
It was like 80 yesterday, now it's like 40.
Thanks, Texas. But hopefully today we can get the windshield out, because there's two of us, and also the motor.
We're gonna aim for the motor and attempt to mock up the new engine in it and see what all is gonna have to get cut out or modified to make that happen. But this is assuming we don't freeze to death.
Because we have to do it out there a little bit.
Yeah.
So first, let's dislodge the car.
Yeah. We gotta move a lot of rat poop and woody bits that are not really wood any longer. They're more just humus or compost. I should put these in my composter I just put together yesterday.
We do have a compost pile that we can use.
Has anyone ever composted wood from an E9 BMW?
Sorry, BMW Owners Club.
I'm so sorry.
Alright, that's probably good.
Alright, getting real close to pulling the motor. Spent a few minutes undoing the 1 million manifold bolts. Wyatt disagrees with me apparently, as he's found some more bitches of bolts over there. He's spent an alarming amount of time using the hacksaw.
Alarming? You mean like very short amount of time, right?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Okay.
But I also think that any use of a hacksaw is alarming, so. Making progress, just gotta work around this gigantic brake booster. Before we gotta pull the motor, we gotta pull the drive shaft and trans mount. So just undo that and hope the car doesn't come down on top of us.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Load leveler? We don't need no stinking load leveler. We've got a million Walmart straps.
No, we're just stupid.
I mean, we've already broken one, so we've got some more.
Just hop in the end of me, dude. If it falls outside the car, I don't give a shit. If this mangles the whole front, it will mangle the whole front. Ready? Yeah. Alright, I'm coming. Let me know when you're in sketchy zone. Alright? Yep, we're good.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Almost, almost, almost.
Okay.
Fuck it.
Alright. Clone. Hell yeah, brother.
Tore up my shoes a little bit, but I mean, that's the small price to pay. Exhaust is free now.
We've both stolen shoes from each other, so no homo.
Yeah, we're doing okay there. We're down one strappy boy. It's actually down, it's just a small, it's a miniature strap now. Oh, Wyatt, what have you got there?
Hey, turn the, I'm gonna do the dun 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 dun. Oh, that one's filming, isn't it?
Yeah, that one's on. Oh, you need this, mate. Oh, the flex the boys.
It broke back here.
Oh, we've broken our perfectly good E9 exhaust.
Here, I'll put it back. There, it's good.
We've repaired our perfectly good E9 exhaust.
High five.
High five.
Well, that was probably the least careful E9 motor removal in history.
In history. The only one done with ratchet straps.
And exceptional half-assery. Oh, fuck. What do I do with that thing now?
I don't know. It's just, hey, does anybody need a gigantic pile of turd? So after we pulled out the motor, we had a bit of motivation, and we decided to tackle some other projects that were on the do list for a long time.
Yeah, I didn't really feel like removing the windshield and back window by myself just because they're expensive and hard to find.
They don't exist.
So,
They look okay, honestly.
yeah, the window sill, like, this area's got some definite rusty, crunchy bits, but it's not bad. There's
Not like the rest of the car.
Yeah, the front one's definitely much nicer than the back one, and the back one seems to be sturdy at least.
Yeah.
I haven't found any holes yet.
Yeah, that doesn't immediately go through, so looking pretty good.
Should be all right as far as utilization of that.
Yeah, so decent day, motor out, glass out, brushed out a bunch of compost over there,
Yeah,
and we shot an episode in the daylight.
for once, and Dad and I have clothes on.
And he has clothes on. Until next time.